Welcome to another episode of Source Selection Soundbites. Today we will discuss the preparation of the source selection decision. In a prior soundbite, we discussed preparing to write the source selection decision. Now, I'd like to examine the rating scales used in technical evaluations and how they are used in making source selection decisions. Ratings are useful in that they are shorthand used to summarize complex information, and they tell the SSA at a glance where offerers stand in the eyes of the evaluators, but the ratings don't communicate the rationale for those standings. To gain that depth of knowledge, the SSA must read the evaluation detail. This deeper level of understanding, beyond the ratings, enables detailed comparisons in the source selection decision. Going beyond the ratings enables the SSA to provide qualitative comparisons and explanations about the level of perceived benefit in the proposals. A qualitative comparison relates to measuring and/or differentiating the extent or magnitude of an attribute among other like objects. The rationale for this level of detail is that case law holds that source selection decisions must go beyond adjectival ratings. The holdings in court cases are due to the fact that a combination of measurement scales are needed to articulate why a choice was made. These scales include an ordinal scale, which categorizes things as greater or lesser, and an interval scale, which determines equality of intervals or differences within them. The ordinal scale that is commonly used are outstanding, good, acceptable, marginal, and unacceptable. Alternatively, the rating scale may be high, some low when using confidence ratings. These adjectival ratings demonstrate that one proposal is better than another under a particular factor, but it does not demonstrate the real difference between them. This problem is even more acute when two or more vendors have the same rating. The way to truly differentiate between the value contained within each proposal is the use of the interval system. Next, let's look at how the intervals are communicated. Intervals can be communicated by numbers, but this is not sufficient for source selection decisions. Numbers must be accompanied by written explanations, or the written explanations may stand alone. A written explanation provides the interval explanation needed to substantiate a source selection decision. This ensures the decision is not mechanical. To express these differences in the source selection decision, the SSA must ably draw comparisons with adjectives and modifying adverbs. The adjectives and adverbs are combined to express the exact extent of the differences in value between the factors or proposals. Today we have discussed ordinal rating systems, interval rating systems, and how they are used in making a valid source selection decision. This concludes another episode of Source Selection Soundbites. If this video was helpful, hit the like and subscribe button to ensure you don't miss any new material. If you want more details on the subject, they are available on the Source Selection Answer app. It contains lectures, quizzes, court cases, and sample documents that allow practitioners to quickly obtain actionable knowledge. Thanks for watching. See you next time.